Which way do I want it? This is stuck in my hair. Oh God. Hey guys, I'm Kay Falcon and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back guys to part 3 of my Halloween series. What did I pick up? Okay, that was not 3. Welcome back guys to part 3 of my Halloween series, and as you guys can probably tell already, this one is all about cherries today. Yeah, I'm a rotten cherry today. You may be asking, why is it that you decided to turn yourself into a cherry today? Before we go any further, let me just explain my inspo for this look. So, I was scrolling across Twitter and mind my own business as I usually do, and I came across a picture where one of my friends actually posted a picture with one of the filters that had the little cherries underneath. And it was like, oh, this looks pretty cute. And I'm not talking about her, even though she's cute as well. You know what I mean? But I was talking about the filter, the picture in general. So I was like, I think I can actually do this as a makeup look, right? So I tabled that thought for a second. And then all of a sudden I came across this Doja Cat music video in Juicy where she had 2 cherries on top of her head, as I recreated somewhat here. And as you kids can see, that is the inspo for my headpiece today. So I was like, I have a calling to do cherries. I want to turn myself into a fruit. And given the fact that I've been seeing so many cherries on my news feeds and in my YouTube, I might as well turn myself into it, right? I searched on Google as usual for looks that reflect my idea, and there were quite a few. There were quite a few makeup looks that you can look at to see the cherry looks. But I wanted to put my own twist on it. Instead of doing a regular cherry, I'm going to kind of portray the spoiled cherry. You know how you'd have a bad apple? I'm gonna be the bad cherry in this case, okay? If you're interested in finding out how I portray this look, please stay tuned. But before we get into the video, I just want to take this time to remind you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe guys, subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button right beside the subscribe button in order to get notified each time I make a post. Also, don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below to help my channel grow. Okay? You thought I forgot, didn't you? Never. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So I am going to start first with my eyebrows. I thought about coloring them like I've been doing in my previous videos, but then I was like, not really. I'll just keep it like simple for this video at least. You know, something quick and easy for somebody to do on the go. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows normally. Using the NYX Fill and Fluff, by the way. Then I'm using some concealer just to clean that up. Is gonna be sort of dark, so I'm going to go first into Credit in the Jackie Aina palette, right? And I'm just gonna kind of like buff that shade out in my crease area. with a bit of black from the Fierce by Nature palette. So I'm going to use this color right here. For that very shade, I'm just gonna use this color right here, and I am going to blend it kind of on top of this little area right here. This one right here. So before I continue, I'm just gonna put on some foundation and like do the rest of my face, because I don't want a sharp line where my eyeshadow is. I actually want it to be blended. Gonna go in with my Jackie Aina palette, right? You see this color here, Wigglies? I'm just gonna put that on top of that red from the middle. Is such a nice color, guys. Ew. You see that color payoff? Ooh, so beautiful. I am going to use this black hole eyeliner from Annabelle to line my lower lash line. And I am going to take this Master Precise to give myself a winged liner, and I'm going to bring that down to give myself a cat. And then I'm going to take this black liner by Maybelline Master Precise, and I'm going to give myself a winged liner, and I'm going to bring that in as a cat eye wing. Gonna go underneath that with Credit. So I'm gonna take a white pencil just to kind of outline the shape of the cherries that I want to get first, right? brush into some water. And this red that's here, I'm gonna dip my brush into it, and I'm just gonna fill that color in. Coming up how I want. It's pissing me off a little bit, so I'm gonna let that paint dry. So I'm just gonna let that paint dry, and once it dries, I'm gonna top it up with the shade Wigglies from Jackie Aina palette. Darker green to fill in the leaf. You go into the white a little bit. I'm gonna start with my lips. Line the lip like that, like so. Right? Then I'm gonna use this Morphe Mega Matte lipstick in the shade Dominate. I need a gloss on top of this, so I'm gonna use the Morphe lip glosses in Natural Stunner lip glosses in the shade Foxy. I thought about using worms to bring out the rotten effect, but then have you ever seen worms in cherries? So I decided to use spiders instead, right? I'm gonna add a little bit of cobweb towards that lip. And I'm gonna go back again with my Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liner. And there you have it, guys, just like that. That one was pretty quick and easy. The only problem is I had a bit of problems with this cobweb right here, and so that's why the color is distorted, but it kind of adds to that spooky look, so I'm not really that mad at it. Yeah, I'm not mad at it at all. What do you guys think about the look? Is it something you guys will do on Halloween? Honestly, it's something that I would do. It's like, I love this look actually. I really love it. It's like a crisscross between Snapchat filter, Doja Cat, and this makeup madness. Like, seriously, this is really cute. Oh my god, honestly, if it wasn't for the fact that I had to go to sleep, I would not take this off. This is really cute. Like, I know it's supposed to be like creepy, but damn, it's cherries, guys, right? Rotten cherries or whatever, they're all the same. They're still sweet on the inside. When they're rotten, they're just extra sweet. That's all. Okay, they're just overripe. Okay, so which is why the spiders come in for it. Anyway. Well, guys, this is certainly not the longest makeup look that I have done so far. But if you do like this look, guys, if you'd like to see more, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? So for all you newcomers who've made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, you can see more of this type of content and more to come. There are only 2 more weeks, guys. 2 more weeks left until Halloween is finished. So that means 2 more videos to be posted. And I can't wait for you guys to see what I have in store for you. If you guys do end up recreating this look, be sure to tag me in it. I am K_Falcon on Twitter, K.Falcon on Instagram, and of course K_Falcon on Facebook. Twitter and Instagram is where you'll most find me, guys, is where I'm most active, but do follow me on Facebook as well, because I do occasionally post there. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I would really love it if you guys could show your support for this look. Okay? Okay? I did that, okay? I did that. Honestly, I'm really feeling myself and I just can't wait to go and take pictures. So that is exactly what I will be doing in just a bit. Thank you guys for staying on till the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. See you later.